Well, this is Bobby at Copalty Repair with a quick repair tip for a problem that took me, for my shame, more than 15 minutes to figure out. This is 976. Yeah, there it is. BN44-00976A from a Samsung monitor. I may have made video for that board, or I may have just been selling the kit. Usually what fails is the PFC circuit, and we do have a repair kit for that. Not so commonly known is that when the PFC circuit fails, there's a bunch of SMD resistors here that fail as well. So it's not just a matter of replacing the MOSFETs, and always replace both of my oftentimes talk to people who tell me that they successfully repaired their board by replacing the failed MOSFET. Anything that works in pairs should be replaced in pairs. It's a rule of thumb. If you drive a car, and I've said that many times, and your front wheels wear out so much that one of them busts out, the other one will be just as worn out. You must replace. And many times when one of them fails and the other one takes the load, it's ready to fail. So on the next turn, it will fail. Sometimes it will live a little longer. Sometimes it will live a little bit more longer. But always do replace. Anyhow, this board was totally dead. Inspection on the usual suspects showed nothing. The fuse was good. And I started testing a bunch of stuff, circuit by circuit. Getting, everything was working, but there was no PFC. Until 15 minutes into it, I came across that. And everybody who repairs electronics or home appliances will know what that is. And if I've seen it on all kind of boards, and will continue seeing it on all kind of boards, it's just bad solder joint. And there you go. There you go. So it literally burned the solder around the contactor too. And this happens to be a coil that powers one of the two rectifiers. I'm pretty sure that's the only problem with the board. But since it is here, and since we know that those fail often, I will probably end up replacing them as well while they're here. I mean, I don't want that board returned soon just because. Even though, fairness, this is a relatively rare failure. I will think about it. May end up replacing them. It's still wiser. They don't fail so commonly, not nearly as commonly as the main board, the panels on those. So it may or may not be. But anyhow, if this has happened on one of those boards, it will happen on more. So make sure you check those as well. Good luck.